When it comes to picking a sewing machine, buyers should consider their skills, potential projects, and budget. Beginners will want an inexpensive machine that will help them learn the basics, while advanced sewers might want to spend a little more on a durable machine with fewer plastic parts and more specialized features. In this video, we'll present you the top 6 best sewing machines on the market today. So if you want to know what sewing machine will work for you, stay tuned. Hi everyone, I am Ben, and this is ReviewTube. We do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. If this is your first time on this channel and you're looking for more information and details about a specific product, then start now by clicking on the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. All the links about the products mentioned in this review will be in the description section below this video. So if you want to find the links where you can find these products at the best prices and more information, click Show More if you are on your PC, or the arrow down if you are on your phone. Now, let's get into the video. First on our list is Best Overall, we have the Singer 7258 Stylist Computerized Sewing Machine. Buyers looking for a sewing machine that can do it all at a reasonable price should consider the Singer 7258. Available in either 70 or 100 stitch versions, this computerized machine offers the basics, straight stitches and zigzags, as well as decorative stitches, quilting and heirloom stitches, and 7 kinds of one-step buttonholes. 10 metal presser feet are included with the machine. Reviewers rave about the Singer 7258 when it comes to ease of use. Features include an automatic needle threader, top-loading bobbin, an LED illuminated sewing surface, speed control, and a needle that can be programmed to stop in the up or down positions. Users say it's easy to switch between stitches with built-in arrow buttons, and they also love how quiet the machine is while it's sewing. A few warn that a heavy-duty machine might be a better choice for projects involving thicker fabric, though. The Singer 7258 is backed by a 25-year limited warranty. Singer touts the machine's heavy-duty metal frame, but some reviewers say they're disappointed that crucial parts, such as the pedal and bobbin cover, are made of plastic. By the way, if you think about another product you'd like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments down below, and we'll make it happen. Next on the list is Best Budget, we chose Brothers XM2701 Full-Featured Sewing Machine. While it isn't as feature-packed as its pricier competitors, users say the non-computerized Brother XM2701 still offers a lot of sewing machine for the price. There are 27 stitches, including all the basics for garment construction, as well as decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches. It also includes a one-step buttonhole setting and 6 presser feet. Users like the machine's simple dial stitch selector, and they appreciate the top-loading bobbin and automatic needle threader. There is also automatic bobbin winding. Several say they've used this model extensively, and even with thicker fabric, without problems. However, some reviewers say it's hard to maintain consistent sewing speed with the pedal, and others say the included LED light is too dim. The Brother XM2701 comes with a 25-year limited warranty, while most reviewers are pleased with durability, especially for the price. Next, as Best High-End, we chose Singer's 9960 Quantum Stylist Computerized Sewing Machine. Intermediate and advanced sewers with a bit more money to spend give the feature-packed Singer 9960 Quantum Stylist high marks. This computerized sewing machine boasts a staggering 600 types of stitches, including 13 one-step buttonholes and 5 fonts for embroidering letters and numbers. It also includes 18 presser feet. The Singer 9960 has the ease-of-use features most sewers would expect from a pricier, more powerful machine. There's an automatic needle threader, automatic thread trimmer, speed control, top-loading bobbin, and a large sewing surface with an extension table. An autopilot function lets sewers take their foot off the pedal without missing a beat, and the needle can stop in the up or down positions. An LCD screen shows users which stitch they've selected, stitch length and width, and the recommended pressure foot. Reviewers enthusiastically embrace all these features, and they say the machine is smooth and quiet. The interior frame of the Singer 9960 is metal, and the machine comes with a limited 25-year warranty. While most users say it's high-end, there's also more that can go wrong with more complicated sewing machines like this one. We would love to hear which of these amazing sewing machines you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of viewers like the most. Next, as Best for Beginners, we have the Janome Magnolia 7318 Sewing Machine. Beginners who can overlook the flowery case will find plenty to like about the Janome Magnolia 7318. Experts say it does a great job balancing value, features, and ease of use. This non-computerized sewing machine offers 18 dactylity stitches and a 4-step buttonhole. It comes with 3 pressure feet. The Janome Magnolia 7318's features include a top-loading bobbin, large sewing surface, and adjustable needle position. The machine has easy-to-use dials that control the stitch selection and width, while the sewing speed is controlled with the foot pedal. This model also gets praise for its smooth and consistent stitching. Reviewers like that the pressure foot can be lifted quite high to accommodate thicker fabric. Some users say they wish the machine were quieter, and while some note it doesn't include many pressure feet, they say they are cheap and readily available. Janome backs the Magnolia 7318 with a 15-year limited warranty. Next, as best serger, we chose Juki MO644D Portable Serger. Advanced sewers who want fast, clean seams often add a serger to their repertoire, and reviewers say the Juki MO644D is one of the best. Users can sew 7 types of stitches with 2, 3, or 4 threads. The machine comes with a multi-purpose pressure foot that can handle tape and elastic and is compatible with other Juki pressure feet. The Juki MO644D has features including a differential feed, a color-coded threading guide, dial-adjusted thread tension, a built-in heavy-duty fabric knife, automatic rolled hemming, and adjustable stitch length and width. Though Juki recommends this machine for light to medium weight fabrics, reviewers say it's still powerful enough for many thicker fabrics including denim, fleece, and multi-layered wool. They also say it's quite stable while working, and they like the machine's relatively small footprint. The 5-year warranty is shorter than many, but there are few durability complaints. To finish our list, we have the bestseller, Brothers PQ1500 SL high-speed quilting and sewing machine. Quilters who want a reasonably priced mid-range machine that can help speed along their work should opt for the Brother PQ1500 SL, which can blaze through up to 1,500 stitches a minute. This is a straight stitch-only machine preferred by most quilters because they are simple and more powerful, and it comes with 7 pressure feet. One of quilters' biggest demands is a roomy sewing area, which the Brother PQ1500 SL has, especially with the included 12-inch by 18-inch extension table. It also has an automatic thread trimmer, needle positioner, and needle threader. Reviewers particularly love the 4 feed dog settings that allow them to evenly sew just about any kind of fabric, thick or thin, but they say they're easy to raise for free motion quilting too. They also love the knee lifter, which lets them raise or lower the pressure foot while keeping their hands on the fabric instead. However, setting the thread tension can be tricky, some say. The Brother PQ1500 SL comes with a limited 25-year warranty. Reviewers are pleased that there are very few plastic parts and there are few durability complaints. From all these products, about 80% of people have chosen the Brother PQ1500 SL and bought it from Amazon. We put a link to that product in the description below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And if you did, please go ahead and give us a like. If you're new to the channel and you like it, please consider to subscribe. We also do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. Please let us know which of the products from this selection you liked and why. Also, if we missed a product that you think is missing in this list, or you would like for us to make a review of some other products, put it in the comments section below. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.